Hi, this is Chris, and so we're working here on the bocce court, having to do some peripheral maintenance of the sprinklers and stuff. In this case, we have a shrub head body attached to about an 18-24 inch nipple that was just directly straight down into a threaded tee. Okay, fortunately we were able to remove it, but that's just stupid. If you're going to put a shrub body on a piece of pipe sticking up out of the ground, you want to make sure it's on a swing assembly. So I've made a triple swing assembly here using some black Marlex fittings. Marlex is a soft plastic used in irrigation. One of the advantages of Marlex is if this thing does snap out, it rarely breaks and it'll just pop right out, and it's easy to re-thread in a new Marlex fitting. But this body can move if it gets pushed around, won't snap off immediately. Really just a few cents spent doing some preventative maintenance work with the right fittings. It's all a difference in saving a lot of water in your landscape, keeping plants from getting damaged, and in this case, keeping the bocce court from becoming a mess.